One of from our family, one of member, he's a theatre owner. So there I used to work as a operator. Then one of my engineer, he used to visit every month. Then he said, "Why don't you join in film institute? So you can be a designer plus mixing engineer." So then I joined as in a film institute. One day, all of a sudden, I thought I should have my own setup. So, I mean, moving around here and there is not make any sense. So then I thought to have only the small setup which can have only the mixing and a small session of recording kind of things. Then I started this Kirtana. It took 4 months approximately because I'm very quality conscious. There are two things. Small studio, making a small studio, one is the space, and second the budget also. Earlier what we used to spend a lot of money on recording studios, where the returns also more. But nowadays after the digital technology, we can do it everything. I mean, whatever you feel, we can do it in a computer. So the budget also become very excuse. So yeah, see what happened in acoustical treatment, there are corners. Anyway, we are not going to use the corner. The corner is the killer for the acoustical treatment. So usually what happened when you do a acoustical treatment, the corner they will just strap it with the bar strap. But whereas I used as like that corner, I can use it for a speaker placement. And then the opposite corner I can use like a bar strap. So both the corners are used. So that way, so only two corners left. One corner I place the door. So 3 corners used. The 4th corner I'm just putting my sitting areas. So all the corners are utilized. So my space is still same. And sound isolation part. See, the sound isolation whatever takes much. At least you should you require at least 9-inch thickness of wall to overcome 100%, not 100%, at least 60%, 70% of sound isolation. But whereas instead of going 9-inch wall, I made a high density bison boards. So there I saved a lot of spaces. See, for recording I am using a Pro Tools and Cubase, Logic. So one sound card which is very important, and then mic pre maximum. Suppose if you have drum kit recordings, and then maximum you need a 8 channel of mic preamp or 10 channel of mic preamp. Otherwise 4 channel is more than enough. So my sound card has 4 mic pre inbuilt and external 2 channel mic pre. So I got 6 mic pre's, 6 channel of mic pre's. So more than enough for my recording session. And anyway, mixing is inside my computer, Pro Tools or Logic or whatever. And I got all plugins to process the sounds like waves, isotopes, ozones, and a lot of things. I mean, I got a lot of bunch of plugins. So very small setup, computer, very high-end computer. So sound card, mic pre's, and my monitor controller, and good speakers. That's it. Then finally for Kirtana, I went for SM3200, which is the midfield monitor, 5 LCR, and SRP 400 for the surround. So that is my combination of my the monitors. The reason is, one is the cost effective. See, what I felt SM3200 series, the brightness, when I compare the other monitors, the biting is I was missing the biting. I compared many series of overseas product, but There what happened, the bite, the Indian instrument, particularly tabla, dolak and any kind of Indian percussions need a biting. That biting was missing in other product. But whereas the Sonodyne, it really gives that biting plus good low end and clean highs. So that's what I felt, okay, Sonodyne is ultimately my best choice for my studio.